Hello class 12th 11th students, good morning. Today we are going to start your chapter 2. From chapter 2 you have to understand and study the concepts properly. First chapter is a theoretical chapter and it has only 1 mark advantage. फर्स्ट चैप्टर में से सिर्फ 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आता है, तो आप उसको एक बार गो थ्रू करिए और that is not very important chapter. Now we are starting from units and measurements. यहाँ से आपको ध्यान से पढ़ना है. First you see in units and measurements topic, you understand from the name of the topic that here we are studying about units, whatever units we are using, and measuring methods, which are different methods we are using for measurement of various quantities. Unit, first we will study about unit. Unit is a concept that you must have learned in earlier classes also, that you are using meter scale and centimeter scale. The meter and centimeter are the units for length. So now you see unit. What is unit? Unit is internationally accepted reference standard for measuring any physical quantity. All the measurements which are universally accepted in internationally, they have given some proper units, name for unit, particular length, they have given some unit. Like in 1 mm, that much distance is called 1 mm. 1 centimeter is the 1 centimeter distance, that much distance is centimeter, and same distance you have to continue, so you have to use the unit for that particular distance. There are two types of units, fundamental or base unit, and second one is derived units. Fundamental unit is basic unit, means other units are the combination of that units. Basic units are length, mass, time. These are the basic units earlier times people are using. Nowadays more basic units are coming. This you can see in the table, in the textbook, table 2.1, SI base quantities, and you should go through that table. Derived units are units of other physical quantities which are expressed as combination, that I told you already. Combination of base quantities is called as derived units. Example, if you say length unit has meter, then volume is the derived unit, it has unit meter cube. So this is derived unit, and length meter is the base unit. International system of units is system of units. What is system of units? A complete set of base and derived units. Complete set of units internationally accepted is known as system of units. In earlier times, basic three systems are used: CGS, FPS and MKS. CGS means centimeter, gram, second. FPS means foot, pound and second. Third is MKS, meter, kilogram, second, where length, mass and time are the base units. Today internationally accepted system of units is SI. SI system is its full form is System Internationale Unites. It is called in French SI units. And today these units are universally accepted everywhere. So you should understand SI units are what. There are SI 7 base units: length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. These are the 7 base units, SI units. You go through the table 2.1, and definition of this units is also given. You should go through that definitions also and write it down. There are two more units: plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle, in figure you can see that plane, this d theta is called the plane angle. This arc is ds. If any body is moving in this arc, traveling the distance ds, then your angle will be arc by radius. This formula of angle, ratio of length of arc to the radius r, is called the plane angle. Second is solid angle. Plane angle is in the two dimensional, and solid angle will be in 3-dimensional. The angle in 3-dimensional, you can see this figure, and this figure is given in textbook also. You go through that, you can get more clear. And unit of plane angle is radian, RAD, this is a short form. Solid angle is denoted by d omega, and this is T radian. Unit is T radian, short form is SR. It is ratio of intercepted area dA of the spherical surface described about the apex O as the center to the square of this radius R. इसका फॉर्मूला डी ओमेगा इक्वल डी ए बाय आर स्क्वायर. डी ए इज़ द एरिया, जितना ये एरिया इतने पूरा एंगल कवर करेगा, दैट इज़ डी ए, एंड आर द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कुलर रीजन. बोथ एंगल्स आर डायमेंशन लेस क्वान्टिटीज़, डायमेंशन लेस ही होंगी. आप देखिए डी एस बाय डी आर, एस भी मीटर में रहेगा, आर भी मीटर में, तो दे विल गेट कैंसिल आउट एंड डायमेंशन नो डायमेंशन. एरियाज यूनिट इज़ मीटर स्क्वायर, आर स्क्वायर इज़ ऑल्सो मीटर स्क्वायर, and they will cancel out and there is no resultant unit, so there is no dimension. So both the values are dimensionless.